In this video, a junior trader shares his raw emotion, experience a trading frustration. Watch us mentor this trader in real time to develop a solution to overcome this psychological trading issue. If you want to improve as a trader and grow your trading account, this is an issue that you're going to need to be able to solve as well. Hi, I'm Mike Bellafiore, co-founder of SME Capital, and we're a proprietary trading desk located in Midtown Manhattan. And I'm also the author of the trading classic, One Good Trade, and the Playbook. Click our subscribe button so you don't miss any of the trading videos that we're producing for you in the trading community. In this video, you're going to learn how to combat a trading frustration. You're also going to learn the formula to overcoming a psychological trading issue, how our firm mentors traders to deal with trading issues, ideas for the trader to solve a common trading frustration, the specific next step for this trader to minimize this obstacle in his trading. For those who want to improve their trading so you can grow your trading account, we hope this video helps. If you want to learn 3 real-world setups that our traders use, including the simple setup that we teach all of our new traders, and the setup that turned one of our traders into a 7-figure big money earner, check out the free webinar that we're currently running. Just go ahead and click the link that should be appearing now at the top right-hand corner of your screen. That's going to open up a free registration page in a new window. Don't worry, you're not going to lose this video. You're going to learn more in a couple of hours from this trading workshop than from years of online education.
And I'm aware of the fact that it happens, that I get overconfident, but I keep doing it. It's really frustrating. And
You keep doing what? You keep
coming into today, I was like, all right, I did really well Friday, I did well Monday, I did well Tuesday. I'm like, all right. In the past, when I have 3 or 4 good days, I usually break some rules. I get too big in trades, and I usually take a rip that day. So I was aware of that. And
How many times does that happen?
It's happened 3 or 4 times.
Okay. So step 1 is you've got a little bit of a problem, right?
Yeah.
All right, so step 2 is what? You gotta find the solution, right? So what do you do to combat overconfidence?
I could cut my share size that day. I was thinking about it, this morning on the commute in, think about how this happens often. I'm like, all right, well, I need to take it slow today. And I guess that's just not enough, having talks with myself to beat that.
Yeah, so look, there's a lot of solutions for that. So self-talk during the day, am I overconfident? Getting in the habit of adding that to one of your questions. So you can so you should be talking to yourself during the day. And then you can have alerts that pop up every 15 minutes to make sure that you're not overconfident inside of your trading. One thing that one of the guys that I work with does is you sit with the worst of your trading. So whatever your terrible trade is, whether that's overtrading, whether that's not being selective enough, whether that's overconfidence, whether that's not adhering to your stops, and you sit with the worst of your trading. You sit with that really negative view. And Dr. Steenbarger's talked about this. You hate that person. You hate overconfident trading Justin. And you get to the point where you see that that's not, you don't want to be that person, and that gets in the way of your goals, and you focus on the things that you need to do to not be overconfident. I hate Justin. And So one of the traders I work with literally sits with that worst part of this trader's trading and feels what that's like to be that person, so that he isn't that person during the trading session. And everybody has one of those things. I mean, one of the top traders here trades too big on the front side and is working on that. One of the other really great traders here trades too much, over trades. And so that's an effective technique. I do think for somebody who's in the developing stage, the thing that you want to think about is just sort of seeing everything as a trade that has rules, that has a stop, and it's only that. So for this, you shouldn't really lose that much money in this particular trade, because it should be a play that's in your playbook that has a stop. And you should only lose a certain bit of your intraday stop loss on any given trade. And so you shouldn't really ever take, I can see how you feel. We can hear it in your voice. You should never really feel that way about a trade, because it's just within your system. I understand you feel that way. That happens to all of us. I think the other day I was getting huffy in Durham, and everyone was laughing, and they all heard me. And then I was kind of like, what the hell are you doing? Like, the reason why you're getting so huffy is because there's a huge buyer in it, and you're I'm even identifying the buyer. I'm like, I think I'm saying to everyone, I'm like, how unique is it that they're just buying this thing on the bid the entire time, and then they're clearing the offers by hand, and I'm getting stopped out and stopped out and stopped out. It's like, no, jackass. There's the reason why you're so huffy is because it's really strong, and that's a signal that you learn to sort of tap into. But that's, so yeah, I mean, it is common to be overconfident after a period of good trading. People do that all the time. The thing is, you have systems in place that protect yourself from I can't stand, I hate overconfident Justin. And it's how you go about that is different. But the thing is that what you can't do is just be upset with yourself. I had a trader who wrote a DRC last night, identified a weakness in their trading, and moved on. It was just like, well, this is what I did poorly. That's not helpful. Like, this is what I did poorly. Just pointing out something you did poorly is not helpful. Then you take the next step, which is you find a solution. I actually tweeted about this morning, inspired by reading the DRC, the daily report card from this guy who kind of just stopped with, this is what I do poorly, and then go any further. Step one is identify the problem, and that's good. Most people can't do that. Most people are not self-aware to do that. The second step is you identify the solution. Okay, and the third step is you put in place how you're going to implement that solution. And then the fourth step is you measure how effective your solution is for your trading. And Twitter didn't allow me to actually say the fifth thing, but the fifth thing is patience to allow the progress to show up in your P&L. Okay, so you got to decide now, and you ought to put this in your daily report card tonight. And you got to do it like, you should go back to your seat, and you should start writing in your daily report card, here's my solution for how I'm going to handle overconfidence. Okay, and get that done right away. Hey, so go ahead and click your subscribe button so you don't miss any of the trading videos that we're producing for you in the trading community. And please add your feedback in the comments section for what videos you'd like for us to produce next and what you found helpful from this video. From all of us at SMB, train and trade well.